Hello everyone. Today we unveil the top 3 modern tractors, each with a jaw-dropping price tag of $1 million. These aren't just machines, they are marvels of engineering that promise to revolutionize farming as we know it. So buckle up, petrol heads, as we delve into the world of monstrous engines, colossal tires, and enough torque to pull a small country. Now, if you prefer your tractors with a touch of Italian flair, then the Case IH Quadtrac 715 is right up your alley. With a length of 7.3 meters and a weight of 26.5 tons, it's a giant, ready to tackle the heaviest tasks on large farms. This Crimson Beast, released in 2021, is a force to be reckoned with. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with a 16-liter capacity, generating 715 horsepower and a peak torque of 3,450 Newton-meters. This tractor can pull loads up to 22,000 kilograms, making it perfect for demanding operations. The Quadtrac 715 features an ingenious track system that minimizes soil compaction, crucial for healthy crops. Inside, you'll find an automatic control system and a touchscreen display that puts everything at the operator's fingertips. With its air suspension seat and climate control system, the Quadtrac 715 ensures that even the longest workday feels like a leisurely drive. For those in need of a versatile and powerful tractor, the Case IH Quadtrac 715 is a remarkable choice. So there you have it, folks. 3 extraordinary tractors, each costing more than a supercar, each capable of transforming your farming operation. The John Deere, a true American brute, built for raw power and unwavering reliability. The Case IH, an Italian stallion with a penchant for innovation and style. And finally, the Fendt, a German masterpiece of engineering and precision. Ultimately, the best tractor for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. But one thing's for sure, With any of these beasts at your disposal, you'll be the envy of every farmer in the county.